Without revision, you won't be allowed again. Okay. So always remember, you will have to do the revision, then only you enter class.
इंडिया फिजियोग्राफी के 6 पार्ट्स में डिवाइडेड है। सबसे पहले आपने नॉर्दर्न एंड नॉर्थ ईस्टर्न माउंटेन्स, जब इंडियन प्लेट ग्लेशियर प्लेट से टकराई थी तब उनकी फॉर्मेशन है, इसलिए ये फुल माउंटेन्स भी कहते हैं एंड ये जियोलॉजिकली काफी है। दूसरे नंबर पे आते हैं इंडिया के सबसे स्टेबल रीजन टेरिफर्ड है, जिसे मैं बताऊंगा 2 पार्ट्स में डिवाइड करते हैं, सेंट्रल हाइलैंड्स एंड टेरिफर्ड। तीसरे नंबर पे सबसे यंग ग्रेट मॉडर्न प्लेट्स आते हैं।
स्पीच स्लो करती हूँ, इसका शायद स्पीच ज्यादा ही तेज लग रहा है इसका। सेटिंग समझ में आ रहा है, डिविजन्स के नाम ही तो बता रही हूँ मैं।
इसके अलावा अरावली इसे वेस्टर्न साइड में कन्फाइंड है। पांचवें नंबर पे आते हैं कोस्टल प्लेट, क्योंकि 2 पार्ट्स।
Look here, Jatin. What are you looking? I'm showing this here video.
ईस्टर्न साइड। लास्ट में आते हैं आइलैंड्स, मेनली लक्षद्वीप एंड अंडमान एंड निकोबार।
So can you tell how many divisions of India? What were the divisions now? Can you tell?
Islands, Peninsular,
And
coastal plains, Great Desert.
now can you tell what are the divisions, major divisions, physiography?
Northern Islands, Peninsular, coastal plains, Great Desert.
Okay, chalo. At least this should be clear. What class we are doing, है ना? What topic we are studying? Okay. Then only you can study further. Now next we have to start with the northern plains. We'll start with the northern plains. How the northern plains were formed? Okay. So this was the Eurasian plate here, right? And from here, from the down south, from the south, what was coming? The Indian plate was coming. ठीक है? So while it was coming close, there was a kind of depression was created when it was coming. Like the push and pull was happening, right? Movement. The Indian plate was moving towards the Eurasian plate. So what happened? A kind of trough. This depression was created, and few ranges were formed like this. ठीक है? This is what, this is the Tibet region. This is the Trans Himalayas, you can think of. This is the Himadri. This is Himachal. This is Shivalik. ठीक है? So we studied yesterday also, few rivers were draining here also, some rivers were here also antecedent before, because they are recent features, most recent features of the world. Okay, this Himalayas and the northern plains. Okay, so some rivers they were bringing deposits and conglomerates, you can say sand, silt and clay, everything was brought. So slowly what happened, this region got filled with all the sediments brought by the rivers. And today also we have seen the Ganga आती है ऊपर से, north से we have Ganga river, Gangotri से निकलती है, right? From the Gangotri, Ganga is coming, then another river Yamuna is coming. So they are forming different huge plains. How? Because of the erosional. In the early stage, what is the stages of a river when it flows? 3 stages, right? Can you remember in the landform formation? Youth phase, mature, and old or senile phase. Okay, so here what happens in youth phase, there is so much erosion is happening. It does erosion, you must have studied erosion. What is V-cut valleys are formed, deep gorges are formed. Okay, river capture happens. Okay, so much deposition and it has huge intensity. शुरू में क्या river में बहुत ज़्यादा energy होती है, ठीक है? So it carries huge amount of sediments and alluvial plains and sand, silt, clay and everything with itself. While coming at the mature phase, what will happen? Next phase, what happens? It goes on depositing this sediments, deposition. ठीक है? And at the old phase, what? It drains, finally meets the oceans, forming the deltas. Getting? This is the river course of the river. This is what is happening with respect to Himalayas. अगर हिमालय से शुरू करेंगे, it will start from Himalayas. Let's make them. These are the trans. Suppose these are the Himalayas. Okay. Then different types of features will happen. You will see what type of structures are forming or geographic features. When rivers will flow with them, what will happen? They will break the rocks, disintegration will happen, right? Rivers is coming from this. Okay, this is a different the course of the river that has. It has different geographical names also. Okay. First one, Himalayas. I use this one. Okay. First feature that it forms in the foothills of the Himalaya near Shivalik. This is the range you can consider them as Shivalik. Then we have Bhabar. This is Bhabar. The second feature that it forms is Tarai. यमुना खादर बेल्ट सुना है कभी? नाम सुना है यमुना खादर बेल्ट, है ना? So this is considered it as a river Yamuna Ganga that is flowing. Okay. Can you see what is from north to south? How it is? अगर अब नीचे हम यमुना में है, दिल्ली कहाँ है? यमुना के बॉर्डर्स पे है, ठीक है? This is the river. Side to the rivers, what is there? Khadar belt. This is the youngest deposition or new alluvial. Okay. We will write with this. Okay. This is suppose this is river. This is new alluvial. Swampy, MPY, Swampy, marshy या waterlogged, दलदली वाली रीजन, ठीक है? I will tell you why it is happening. पहले ये लिख लेते हैं, okay? And here it is. Suppose a river is flowing from the Himalayas, okay, Ganga river, है ना? So what it is bringing, there are the rocks will break, है ना? It will form big solid structures, pebbles will form. So river drawing through it, it will disappear. It will flow up from the नीचे बड़े बड़े अगर पत्थर होते हैं तो रिवर्स नीचे से निकल जाती है. कोई आपने कभी नैनीताल वाला रीजन देखा? नैनीताल उत्तराखंड में आप कभी गए हो? शारदा नदी के पास देखा है कभी? तो बड़े बड़े पत्थर होते हैं. You cannot see the path of the river from this stone, big pebbles and stones. Okay, so it is said that a river flows from the floor of the land. Okay, it is not visible from the top view. So big boulders, pebbles and gravels are visible. That's why it is called the river disappears in this भाबर रीजन. एंड हाउ इट इज फॉर्म? बिकॉज ऑफ द ब्रेकिंग ऑफ दिस रॉक्स. अगर रॉक्स टूटते हैं, मान लीजिए कोई कंस्ट्रक्शन हो रहा है, कुछ हो रहा है, लैंडस्लाइड आ रहे हैं, एवलांचेस आ रहे हैं, सो व्हाट विल हैपन? दिस रॉक्स विल break, so they will form big rock structures, boulders. Slowly what next? They will disintegrate with the river. River क्या करेगी? उसको और break करेगी, तोड़ेगी. When it re-emerges, when this section gets over, it re-emerges on the land and it creates a swampy region. Daldali, this is Tarai area and it is very good for agriculture. That उत्तराखंड में जो राइस, व्हीट, शुगर केन कल्टीवेशन जो होती है, तराई एरिया. आप इंडिया का मैप अगर देखोगे, दिस इज सपोज दिस इज द मैप ऑफ इंडिया. ओके, सो दिस पार्ट इज वेरी गुड फॉर एग्रीकल्चर, दिस तराई बेल्ट. So this agriculture, it is very good because it has sufficient water. Okay, plain भी है, the land is plain. Okay, it has availability of water, nutrient rich, solid salts and all minerals are available. Greenery हो सकती है यहाँ पे, swampy region है तो green plants ही होंगे. So it is very good for agriculture and cultivation. Getting Tarai region, is it clear? Next we come to the near, located exactly near to the rivers when it leaves its sediments, alluvial deposits. So earlier जो पुराने sediments जो छोड़ती है river, उसको हम क्या कहेंगे? Old alluvial, old bhangar. It is a bit far away from the main river that is flowing, and the main recent floodplain, that is the floodplain. It is located near to the most fertile region, it can be also called. Okay, it is the new alluvial, that is termed as खादर. ठीक है, जैसे खादर बेल्ट, भांगर बेल्ट, ये तराई रीजन के ज्योग्राफिकल टर्म्स हैं. ओके, और ये हम कैसे इंडिया के पर्सपेक्टिव कैसे हम नॉर्थ टू साउथ लगा सकते हैं. इफ यू हैव टू राइट इन नॉर्थ, व्हाट फर्स्ट वी विल हैव हिमालयाज, देन व्हाट वी हैव भाबर, देन तराई, देन भांगर एंड देन खादर. ठीक है, फ्रॉम नॉर्थ टू साउथ. आप इसको विजुलाइज कर सकते हो. कैन यू विजुलाइज हाउ इट इज इन इंडिया ऑल्सो? हिमालयाज आर देयर, देन देयर रॉक्स, प्लेट्यूज आर देयर, मतलब रॉक्स आर देयर, पेबल्स आर देयर, ग्रेवल्स आर देयर. देन वी कैन सी तराई, उत्तराखंड, यूपी बेल्ट है ना, वेस्टर्न यूपी का कुछ पार्ट, सम पार्ट ऑफ द नेपाल ऑल्सो हैड द, नेपाल मैक्सिमम इज इन नेपाल ओनली, तराई बेल्ट. ओके, and then we have this old alluvial and the khadar, new khadar. Okay, new alluvial, bhangar and the khadar. Is it clear?
One is fertile.
This is the most fertile.
Tarai is fertile.
Tarai is also fertile. This is the most recent one, rich full. Okay,
But which one is more fertile?
this is very risky. Suppose the water flow increases. सपोज कहते हैं ना यमुना में बाढ़ आ जाती है, सारे लोगों को हटाया जाता है. दिस बिकॉज दे आर इलीगली accumulating, they are living on this region. यमुना के पास से लोग क्या कहते हैं, इस रीजन में आके रहने लगते हैं, यमुना खादर बेल्ट पे आके रहने लगते हैं. जो गरीब लोग हैं, स्लम्स में रहते हैं, तो इट इज प्रोन टू फ्लड्स ऑल्सो. इट इज फ्लड प्लेन. व्हाई इट इज प्रोन टू फ्लड्स. Suppose there is a heavy heat, so much heat is there, insolation is happening, the ice will melt, glaciers will melt, the water flow will be huge, so it is near to the danger level. Okay, it can have flood situations, so that's why it is not very you can say logical thing to live there and do the cultivation. Okay, so ideally this is also localized because river is flowing, it is not staying there. Okay, so river is flowing, it can go move further. So यहाँ पे हम cultivation के लिए water क्या है ले सकते हैं, सिंचाई वगैरह के लिए. And nowadays perfect, what is happening in Tarai belt, this is personal experience, they are converting this land into this all buildings and construction and factories is happening. So very most fertile region of India is getting industrialized. Urbanization is happening. Huge lands are sold like they are for the construction work only. Sidikul, उत्तराखंड में famous है Sidikul. ये एज अ केस स्टडी में आप डाल सकते हो. उत्तराखंड में सिडकुल रीजन है, around 1000 of acres. What happened earlier? It was huge, very fertile land, good for agriculture. But now, for the development of the state has made this State Industrial Development Corporation. Okay, what is happening? Industries are getting developed, population is increasing, pollution is happening. Okay, the fertile land is getting more concretized, urbanized. So वो utility नहीं हो रही है. अब क्या होगा, अगर यही चीज बढ़ती रही तो हमारे जो लैंड है, जो बेसिक फूड प्रोड्यूसिंग एरियाज है, वो कम होते जाएंगे. हम इंडस्ट्रीज तो ग्रो कर रहे हैं एक तरफ, बट दूसरी तरफ हम इस लैंड को, जो लैंड क्या रिवर्सिबल नहीं है, एक बार उसमें कंक्रीट डल गया तो वो लैंड खराब हो जाती है, बहुत मुश्किल होता है उसको फिर साफ करना. सॉइल, हमने सॉइल पॉलिसी में अब देखोगे, इट इज वेरी डिफिकल्ट टू गेट बैक दैट नेचुरल सॉइल, है ना. So it is an issue that is along with वो कहते हैं sustainable development, along with development you should look at the ecology also. क्या कहते हैं? Development versus ecology or in environment you can say. So this is a major issue that world is dealing with. Chalo. So we will write something with respect to them. Okay, Himalaya, northern plains. Go, it's your call. Go and take. Chalo. Formation of Indo-Gangetic Brahmaputra formation. Matlab, this is also, how many rivers are flowing through this? What are the major rivers flowing here? Indus is flowing, right? Indus, Brahmaputra and Ganga. These are different plains they are formed, right? Full region has been created because of these rivers only. Indo-Gangetic Brahmaputra Trough, TRO. There was a depression, right? We will look at how they formed. Formation of Indo-Gangetic Brahmaputra Trough. ठीक है?